So, how was the shoot?
I don't want to talk about it. So what? So maybe I look like Ron Howard, but guess what? May not have a lot of hair, but he's probably getting so much puss.
Who's Ron Howard?
He's bald. He's like a bald 7-year-old.
Shut up.
Video.
Oh my god. What are you talking about? They are just, going for a trip to Poland. It's no big deal. Nobody's going to get hurt, except those damn dirty Jews.
Hey! That was offensive.
Your face is offensive. Hey!
Your face is offensive.
Well, you're kind of right.
Yeah.
Whatever. So, was there anything good about the shoot?
There was a couple realizations.
Like what?
I feel kind of ashamed at the fact that the only reason she was being so awesome and raising my false sense of self-confidence was because I was giving her my cash money. I was feeling pretty empowered by the end of that night, and then I woke up on it the next morning and I was like, oh damn it. I don't have any money. I'm just a... I don't really have charm, I just had $20 bills. Yo, what's this shit about ones? Ones don't get you anything but some sweaty boobies in your face because she's been doing fireman's all night. Give her 20, man, you get like, what? Cooter. I don't know.
Wow.
Really? Firemanning it?
No. I'm going to tongue punch you in the butt box. Well, she's just gonna be like, cool. Because that's the way it rolls when you're the captain.
No, like, just the
9!
9!
Oh god, it looks like I've been eating.